Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Let's build a medium-sized boy's Toy Story basket. Let's go.
Basket designing, always refining, deal finding, yeah, we grinding. Hitting the streets, meet and greets is such a treat. Hosting hard in creative ways with gift displays, yes it pays. Making tumblers, t-shirts, and doing custom orders. We be crafting woodwork ready for every quarter. Prepping and stepping, getting ready for the season. In the crafty corner, everybody got a reason. Instructing, sharing, lifting spirits high. Inspired to create, to dream, to try, be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing. No second guessing, every blessing has a lesson. Crafty corner, everybody got a reason. Instructing, sharing, lifting spirits high. Inspired to create, to dream, to try. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. No second guessing, every blessing has a lesson. Basket designing, always refining, deal finding, yeah, we grinding. Hitting the streets, meeting Greeks is such a treat. Hosting hard in creative ways with gift displays, yes it pays. Making tumblers, t-shirts, and doing custom orders.
Alright, this is a medium Toy Story basket. One and done. Because I have absolutely no more Toy Stories. I thought about doing 2 small baskets with it, but these toys are just a little bit too big for my small baskets. So I decided to do mediums with these. Alright, so we have our Buzz Lightyear in plain clothes and Buzz Lightyear in uniform here. We have our eggs, our Capri Sun, of course our ring pop. We have over here our Rice Krispie treat, some silly Crayola Crown toothpaste. And we have our cotton candy in the back with some Sour Punch candy. I'm going to put a airhead right here. And we have our bubble wand, of course. And then our fruit snacks. And I'm going to put a couple of lollipops in here as well. Alright, y'all, so I put our lollipop in there as well as our airhead. Here on this side. And I also added a Tootsie Roll in here as well. So this is a boys medium Toy Story. And it is one and done. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.